Korfball by Adam Harris. What is korfball? Korfball is an incredibly inclusive game with 8 people on a team and 4 people on each half of the court. There are both male and female players on a team, and you can only defend your own gender as you can't run with the ball in your hands. Due to the diverse rules and regulations of korfball, the game has become the #1 most inclusive sport. Skill acquisition's influence on attaining success. Skill acquisition allows the people to be able to become competent at a sport far easier, as they can take a number of skills from other sports and implement it to various other sports. By acquiring basic skills from other sports, people are able to become proficient in korfball far easier. This does not mean that they are at the autonomous stage, but it means that people at the cognitive stage of learning are able to play at a competent level. Types of skills to attain success. Achieving success is far easier to do when you have attained various types of skills such as closed skills, discrete skills, and continuous skills. Utilizing a variety of skills when playing sports is essential to perform at a competent level. Korfball utilizes a variety of skills. There is a number of discrete skills such as throwing, catching, and shooting. An example of a simple continuous skill in korfball is running. These are simple skills which allows for people of any skill level to play the game. Information processing. An example of signal detection in korfball is the ball being large and bright, which increases its visibility to make the ball far easier to track. The ball is also round, so it is far more predictable than an oval-shaped ball. Only defending your own gender is an important part of the game, as it makes the game more equal. This is due to males having a faster reaction time than females, but the reaction time deteriorates at a faster rate. Korfball compared to other sports. Korfball only requires a small arsenal of mostly simple skills for the game to be played at a proficient level. Although other sports use skills very similar to these, they are made more open due to the rules of the game. Examples of this include defending in basketball. Defending in basketball is a far more open skill than in korfball. In basketball, you have to keep in mind that the ball is able to be hit out of your hands and that you're able to be defended from any direction, which greatly opens the skill. In korfball, defending is a far easier skill, as all that is required is to face the person directly in front and put your arms and hands in the air to stop them from shooting. This makes the skill far more simple and closed than in basketball. Ball movement. Korfball is also far easier to become proficient at, as the skills are much simpler than basketball. For example, you cannot run with the ball, whereas in basketball you need to be able to dribble while you run and keep the ball away from defenders. This makes ball movement in korfball more closed than in basketball. Shooting in korfball versus basketball. Shooting in basketball, you have to be able to... In basketball, the ball is able to be hit out of your hands and you can be defended by anyone. This makes the skill more open as it is more unpredictable. In korfball, you can only be defended by your own gender, which limits the amount of players you need to look out for, and therefore the skill of shooting is more closed in korfball. In basketball, you can only shoot from a 180 degrees area, which means that there is less space and time for you to shoot. This makes the skill more complex. And on the other hand, you can shoot from 360 degrees in korfball, which allows more time and space for you to shoot, therefore making the skill more simple and more closed. In the images here, you can see the ball being shot from in front of the ring in basketball, as you can't shoot from behind, and in korfball you can see people around the entire ring, which gives you more options. Thank you.